Hello guys, how to fix Windows Update error code 0x800B010F on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing Windows Update error code, you fail to install Windows Update, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run dialog box. And here in Run dialog box, type services.msc to open services windows in your system. Click on OK. Services windows will open now, and here restart or start various Windows Update related services. Then the first one is background intelligent transfer service. Simply right click on it and choose restart. If you found already in start mode, then restart it, otherwise start it. Thereafter apply a double click on it and set startup type as automatic and press apply and OK to save the changes. Apply these methods for go to cryptographic services, right click on it and click on restart. If you found it a stop, then start first and then restart it. Apply a double click on it and set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. The next services is Windows installation services. Scroll down and look for Windows installation service installer services. Simply right click on it and choose restart and apply a double click on it to open its properties, and you can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the last one is Windows Update services. Right click on it, choose restart and apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. After all these Windows Update related services restarting, check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, check Microsoft Updates, Microsoft Services status. Your Chrome browser and here type Microsoft Server Status. Type Microsoft Service Status. Press enter and open first result as service status. Click on it and Windows will show your Microsoft Services status. We are all in good and all the green tick mark against all your Microsoft services. If you found any having error, then try to fix that error. The next workaround to fix this Windows Update error code is Windows Invite Tool Troubleshoot. Right click on a start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key. Under system settings, go to right side and look for troubleshoot. Click on it. Other troubleshooters and run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Click on run button and let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issues, resolved accordingly if any Windows Update related problem found in your system. Thereafter run the network and internet troubleshoot also and follow on a screen instruction to complete the network and internet troubleshoot in your system. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute first these three DISM tool one by one. DISM scan health, DISM check health and DISM restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows to check your system health and restore system health. Thereafter execute SFC a scan now command to check any corrupted files in your system. sfc/scan now and press enter and wait till 100% completion of verification of your system. Once successfully execution of this command, update Windows update components as shown on a screen. Execute these four commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. First, stop these four services on your system. One by one, execute this command, and thereafter execute these two commands: software distribution and cat root. One by one, execute these two commands. All these command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Thereafter, start all those services you have earlier stopped them. So start all these four services. Execute all these four commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, manually install your updates. To do so, go to your Chrome browser and type Microsoft Update Catalog. Press enter and open Microsoft Update Catalog. And here, look for your update which you want to install in your system. KV update, type here and press enter and manually download and install Windows Update in your system through Microsoft Update Catalog. That's